Exercise 4.4, problem number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Solution. Let the age of one friend be x years. The sum of the ages should be 20 for both of them. So age of the other friend, we can take it as 20 minus x. Now the sum of their ages will be 20 minus x plus x is 20. So we have taken in this form. And now 4 years ago, age of first friend will be x minus 4. Similarly, 4 years ago, the age of second friend will be 20 minus x minus 4, so which is equal to 16 minus x. And it's given that product of their ages after 4 years will be 48. So we are going to find the product of those two ages as x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48. Multiplying this and bringing into the standard form, we get the equation as x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. The discriminant b square minus 4ac, we are going to find it out. So we get it as minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. So we get it as 400 minus 448. It is equal to minus 48 less than 0. Therefore, there is no real roots for this equation. Hence, this situation is not possible.